Hey guys, Kathryn Stone here with Shaw Realty. I'm here to show you another beautiful Shaw listing. We're at 116 Sandpiper in desired Quail Creek subdivision. This house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, split floor plan, has beautiful granite countertops, just built in 2016. It is on a almost quarter-acre lot. I believe it's 0.22 acres, so you have plenty of room. Give me a call at 361-648-2885. I'd love to show it to you in person.